Welcome back. So today I want to give you some assistance on how to use Google Sheets. To get started, we're going to look at the assignment that you were presented with. For this week, in your announcements, you might have noticed a link to the Data Analysis Barnacle Geese activity. To get started, make a copy for yourself. You'll probably notice that it's quite small. So if you'd like to adjust the size of your article, feel free to do so. Go up here to the magnifying glass. You have several options. You can go to 200, which is quite large print for me. So I'm going to stick with 100. You'll notice that there's information about the Barnacle geese of Finland, a little bit about their history. Feel free to read that. Then you'll see over here two columns of data. One's by year, the other is by pairs. And you'll see the population of geese has increased dramatically over the past 20 years. The first question asks you to make a graph of that data. Now there are two options. One, using a piece of paper, you would create a X and Y axis using years and pairs, plot your data points, and then connect them to make a line graph. After you're done, then take a picture and email that to me. The other option, which a lot of people nowadays prefer because it's really easy, and I'll show you how to get started on that in just a second, is to use your Google Sheets. To get started, you're going to go to your applications. You're going to click on the button for Sheets, make a copy. So for my title up here at the top, I'm going to put my name. And a little bit about the article. So the article is about Barnacle geese and their population. And I'm going to make it into a graph. So that's the information I'm providing there. First column is years. Make sure you capitalize all titles. The other column is going to be pairs. I'm going to go back to my data sheet here and acquire all this information and convert it onto my Google Sheets. When I'm done, here's an example of one that I completed. I'm going to go ahead and delete the original one so I can show you how I did this by getting it to graph. Go up to the top corner, drag your cursor all the way down to the last cell that has data presented. Go up to where it says Insert, and I'm going to go to Charts. Here's my chart. Now, a couple things I'm going to have to change about the chart. I want to make sure that I present the title accurately. So the title was about Barnacle geese population. All right. When I'm done, I can click out of the editor, go back up here, make a copy of my chart, go back to my data sheet, click right here and paste. Now you might end up getting a graph that's too big. Just adjust it or size it to where you can get it dragged down and fitted nice and neatly onto your handout. When you're done, make sure you go through and answer all of the questions that are related to the graph. So there are five questions that you need to use the graph to help you answer down below. If you have any questions about how to graph, maybe concern about how to set up Google Sheets, or if you're doing it on paper and you need help setting it up there, feel free to email me or contact me at school, and I'll be glad to sit down with you and help you get started. I hope this all helps. Have a great day. Bye.